These are the end trailers. And bazobonakalisa inhlonipho, ukumulela ngento abathe ayifumana esisulayo. Nakwezinye indawo kodwa babehlale apha grade 8 but now they are somewhere. So whatever they are going to share with you, please, you must know that these things are possible only if we are sincere. Bazimisela nabo bazoba kule ndawo bakuyo. So you must not think that because it's difficult now, you are facing these challenges, and then you think that it's the end of the world for you. So, what I'm trying to say is, give it to them as a minister, and please, songe amaxesha. Ngiyathanda ukwaba. Kwabeni umfa. Yasebathukile nababona. Please, Father, does introduce us as Friday Mana, now just 1 minute. 1 minute, then you will pass over the letter by saying, over to you.
Kazi, sifundise nani wafundi, kuhakikisha tuone isikole sifundisa nazo. Igama lami ngisijabulela Stella Jonas, lo uyaphetha kwami uzodungwelani. Lapha kwami Arnold Mali, izoba ngusizo selani. Ngithi namhlanje manje isikole silapha. It is because of Sibele that sobulela principal, sobulela deputy principal, plus netishara zonke ezenza sinika i-guidance. At the time we figure out from grade 6 up until grade 5. And on top of everything, ideology, abasinika yona, plus the theories nayo. Namhlanje singena kwindawo esingazange sacinga bazawuthini because of utishara yes. Namhlanje sithetha nabantu esingazange sacinga bazawuthetha nabo. Namhlanje senza izinto esingazange sacinga bazawuzenza. Then some decided that no. Let's go. Now some decided that no, let's So, then it is Sukayo means bring the light to the people, and it is Sukayo exists locally. That's why I'm back here to say thank you. But then, Joe is born up as like 4. As we said, this is the machine, the services, we were 23. But we have much check, Ululu check about we were 23. But practical special was but then when I was speaking with my colleagues, I mean, friends, if you go, let us go, even if we are 4, let's go. But Japan is going to happen. Some started to was not under my 4. Representative X Leonard from 1998 inspired. Yes. And also, Joe was so reminded me we're not only rewarding them, we're rewarding as well. When we say our life, I am from 1998 up until last year. I think amen.